This is Jesse, the founder of RabbitTech, and today he introduced a brand new portable device called Rabbit Companion. The main innovation this device offers is the new large action model instead of the traditional large language models. This large action model can learn and understand user interfaces and replicate them. So anything you can do on your mobile, this device can look at it through a small 360-degree rotating camera and learn just by looking at you once. And then it can replicate the task it has learned, of course. This camera is also smart, as in it can understand what it's looking at. You can browse the internet, call an Uber, or use the generative AI using voice commands. During the presentation, the founder Jesse generated a bunny image using Midjourney, and he showed the process to his Rabbit companion once. He then asked his Rabbit companion to use Midjourney to generate an image of a rabbit, and the device performed the task flawlessly. The device is powered by Rabbit OS, a system that allows you to teach the rabbit how to do certain tasks, and once the device has learned enough, it can do all of those tasks for you. This portable device is selling for $199 and there are no subscriptions or hidden costs, just a one-time purchase of $199.